Good morning children. Now I am going to take maths subject for second standard. In the last class we saw circle, curve line, tracing the curve line, okay, tracing our finger, tracing the scale and bangles and all we traced. Okay, then we saw the object, flat object, round object and slanting line, horizontal line. Okay children, now we are going to see the identification of objects by observing the shadows. 1.3. Identification of objects by observing the shadow. See here children, see one girl is standing, her shadow is falling on the wall back side. If I am standing here means my shadow will fall on the board. Okay, see here, girl is standing, her shadow is falling on the wall. See here, my shadow will fall on the back side on the black border. The same way, circle the correct shadow of the given object. See here, some shadows is given. You have to find the picture is given, that appropriate shadows you should mark. Okay children, see here, watermelon is given, then one cut piece water lemon is given. Okay, the shadow, which one will be correct you have to identify. Okay children, you do this one by yourself. Okay, it is easy only. Page number 9 is homework for you. Shadows. Okay, find the correct shadows and put tick there or circle it. Circle the correct shadow. Okay, see here, this watermelon shadow, what will be the correct shadow? See here, 2 cherry fruit is given, the correct shadow. Then parrot is given. Then one tiger doll is given. So you draw the appropriate shadow. Then all of you take your classwork children. Take your maths classwork, write term 2. Okay, write term 2. All of you take your maths classwork and write, take a fresh page and write term 2. Okay, unit 1 geometry, write the heading. Finish children? Have to take your maths classwork, write term 2 portions, then unit 1 geometry, write the heading. Now I am going to write the properties of the shapes. See here, properties of 2D shape, write the heading PROPERTIES, properties of 2D shape. First one I am going to draw circle. First I am going to draw not circle, sorry, square. See here, number 1 I am going to write 4 point. First one, it is a square. Square is a closed shape. Square is a closed shape. Point number 2. Point 1, point 2, it has 4 corners. IT it has 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 FOUR 4 corners. It has 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 4 FOUR 4 sides. SIDES 4 sides. Point number 4. All the 4 sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal. EQUA equal means சரி சமமா இருக்கும் எல்லா சைட்ஸும். See here. Corner 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 corner 4 sides 1 2 3 4 sides. Okay children, 4 sides and 4 corners. Take a max class work, write term 2 you write and start. Term 2 you write and take a fresh page and write unit 1 geometry, properties of 2D shapes, draw a square and write the properties. 4 point I wrote. You write children. Finished? Now I am going to draw the next one. Say I am going to draw the next one. What shape? You name the shape. This is number 2. Second one. What shape children? Say what shape this one? Name the shape. Say children. Rectangle. What shape? Rectangle. Rectangle shape. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Now I am going to write the properties. First point. Rectangle is a closed 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 shape. SHAPE closed shape. Point number 2. It has 4 corners. It has FOUR 4 corners. CORNERS 4 corners. Point number 3. It has 4 FOUR 4 sides. SIDES. See here corner 1 corner 2 corner 3 corner 4 corner. Sides you see 1 side 2 side 3 sides 4 sides. Okay children. Then point number 4 I am going to draw. Just for understanding you I wrote here. Point number 4. Opposite sides. See this is opposite to this one. This side is opposite to this one. Okay. Then opposite sides are equal. Opposites sides. SIDES. Sides are ARER equal. EQUAL equal. See here. The shape is rectangle. Rectangle is a closed shape. Say children, rectangle is a closed shape. It has 4 corners. It has 4 sides. Opposite sides. This is opposite to this one. This is opposite to this one. Opposite sides are equal. Finish children? Then I am going to write the next one. You write down itself children. See here. Next I am going to draw. Next one is, see here. What shape this one? Name the shape children. What shape? Triangle shape. What shape children? Triangle. How many sides it is having? Triangle has 1 2 3 corner. 1 2 3 corner sides. 1 2 3 sides. Okay. Triangle. Triangle. First point. I am going to write the first point. Triangle. Triangle. Triangle is a closed, closed, closed shape. Closed shape. It has three. It has THREE. Three corners. 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 Point number 3. It has three THREE. Three sides. SIDES. Three sides. Point number 4. Sides can be equal or unequal. SIDES. Sides can be equal. Equal சரி சமமாவும் இருக்கும் இல்லாமையும் இருக்கலாம். Equal or unequal. EQUAL. UN and EQUAL. See here. 1, 2, 3 corner. 3 sides. This is corner. 1, 2, 3 corner. Okay. See here. Triangle. The name of the shape is triangle. Triangle is a closed shape. It has 3 corners. It has 3 sides. Sides can be equal or unequal. Finish, children? Write in your classwork. Write neatly. I am saying again and again. For you only. To understand for you only, I am teaching again and again. While taking lesson also, I told all these properties. Okay, now last one we are going to see. We saw rectangle. First we saw square. Second rectangle. Third we saw triangle. And the last one we are going to see the circle. See here, fourth one. Fourth shape what? See here. What shape, children? Name the shape. What is this one? Circle shape. Name of the shape is CIRCLE. Circle. Point number 1. So, it has no corner. Point number 2. It has no sides. Point number 3. It is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve. CURVE. Curve means valaivu. Okay. Right, children? So, 4 2D shapes. 2D shape. Name the 2D shapes means square, rectangle, triangle and circle. This is the shape. Name of the shape is circle. It has no corner. It has no sides. The circle is a closed curve. Okay, children? Write in your class work. Okay? And learn the properties. Write any property. They will ask in the exam. In half-yearly exam, they will ask. Write the properties of rectangle. Or write the properties of square, write the properties of triangle, or write the properties of circle. They will ask in the half-yearly exam. So, read the properties. Easy only. 4 sides, 4 corners. Sides are equal for square. You can easily learn it. Okay. Now, we are going to see the lines. Already I told you. You write in your classwork this one. Blindfolding. Okay. blindfolding. I am just to identify you the what is horizontal line, what is line, curved line I am saying. See here, put a dash and write here. What line is this one? Horizontal line. H-O-R-I-Z, horizontal line, L-I-N-E, line. Write in your classwork, children. Then this one, what line this one? Vertical line. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L, vertical line. This one is vertical line. This one, what line? This side, right side or left side, any side. If it is slanting means slant line. Slanting line, L-I-N-E, line. This one, curved line, C-U-R-V-E, curved line. Okay, children? Take a note, children. For example, I am drawing one figure and saying in order you need to say the what line. See, I am going to draw one house. Okay, and name. See here. See, children, what line this one? Slant line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting line. Okay, this one, vertical line. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L, vertical line. See here, this one, curve. C-U-R-V-E, curve line. This line, horizontal. R-I, horizontal line, L-I-N-E, horizontal line. Okay, children, this one also slant only. Slant line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting line, L-I-N-E, line. Okay, children? Can you able to understand which one is slant line, which one is this and all slanting line? See here, all this is slanting line. See here, this is horizontal line. This and all horizontal line. Okay, okay, children. In the next class, unit 1 geometry is over. Okay, children, in the next class, we can continue the unit 2. Unit 2 is numbers. In that, we can see the bigger number, smaller number, ascending order and descending order we can see. Okay, children, thank you.